One thing every YouTube creator should know is that your thumbnail can either make or mar your content. You can have the perfect ideas, the most beautiful video, but if you have the wrong thumbnail, you will not get the desired results. I found out that a lot of creators still struggle to create the ideal thumbnail for their content. They spend hours shooting the content, putting the clips together in their editing tools, and then coming up with beautiful titles, amazing description for their video, but when it's time to put it up there, they struggle with the ideal thumbnail design. So stick with me in this tutorial. Let me take you through the step-by-step guide on how to achieve thumbnail design using AI, and it's completely free. The first thing we'll do is head over to my notes where I have an existing prompt. It says create a high quality YouTube thumbnail image, 16:9 aspect ratio, modern YouTube style, high contrast lighting. Use the provided image with the write-up, the ideal thumbnail. Also align the color grade to look better and give an overall improvement of the provided image with a suitable background. So next, I'm going to copy this prompt and head over to ChatGPT. This is where we're going to generate the first thumbnail. So I'm going to paste the already copied prompt in the description box. I'll hit the plus. This takes me directly to my gallery where I'm going to choose a preferred image of myself. So you go ahead and choose any image you want to use for the desired thumbnail. I'm going to hit the arrow and ChatGPT will generate the image for me. Now this is what ChatGPT generated. Is not bad at all. This is actually a lovely thumbnail. There are some things I wish were better. Maybe the color at the background was different, and then the placement of the text was better. So we'll do another prompt. So I'll go back to my notes where I have a second prompt. This is a simple prompt as well. I'm just going to copy it and then we'll come back to ChatGPT and generate. Now these prompts are available. If you like to get the prompt, you can comment prompt in the comment and I'll drop the prompts for you. Paste the prompt in the description box. I'll hit the plus and select a preferred image. In this case, I'm going to use an image I generated on Gemini. Then I'll hit the arrow and have this thumbnail generated in a few seconds. So we'll just give it a few seconds and there you have it. This is what ChatGPT generated with the second prompt, and I love this. I think I prefer this to the first one. This looks perfect. Now in this case, what we can do is just to reprompt to have the text smaller and the image smaller. The prompt is perfect. The result is beautiful, but we can just reprompt to have the text adjusted and make it more centralized. So next we're going to try something different. In this case, I have a lengthier prompt, something more detailed. So I'm going to copy this prompt and head over to ChatGPT and paste it in the description box, following the same process of adding a selected image. So in this case, I'll use my image and hit the arrow button. The essence of this is to show you that you can actually generate your thumbnail using ChatGPT, but it depends on your prompts. This is the result we got. Isn't this beautiful? This image was even updated and edited. It is better than the first results we got. So yes, with ChatGPT, you can actually generate an ideal thumbnail for your YouTube content and you would love it. Now let's try another lengthier prompt. In this case, I'm going to use another image that was generated on Gemini. I want to show you how best the result comes when you have a more detailed prompt, not just a short prompt and all that, because I've had somebody tell me that ChatGPT was not giving the type of thumbnail he wanted. So I'm showing you, in case you try the first time, it doesn't give you the result. It is the prompt. If you can prompt better, you will get better results. So I'm going to hit the arrow button and we're going to wait a few seconds and ChatGPT will generate the thumbnail. Now this is the result. Now tell me if this doesn't look good. This is precise, this is clean, and it is better than the first one that was created with a shorter prompt that wasn't so detailed. So this can actually fly as a proper thumbnail for your YouTube content. Next, we're going to try a second AI tool. In this case, we're using Whisk AI. So head over to Whisk AI, click on add images, then click on this icon here to add photo. Select a preferred photo of your choice and then hit the select option, this circle here. You select the image and then exit. You go back to the dashboard and paste the prompt in the description box. Once we do that, we'll hit this icon here to select our preferred aspect ratio, and then hit the arrow. Now Whisk AI is going to generate two options for us from which we're going to choose our preferred one. So first result looks good, but if you're not impressed with the first result, you can always try to get another option. You can simply hit the arrow again or reprompt to get a better result. So these are the results I got from Whisk AI, and they're not bad at all. We got better by the second prompt that I used. So with these tools, you can create your thumbnail in a few seconds. You don't need to waste much time. If you liked my content, if you like this tutorial and you want to get more tips on AI tools, YouTube growth, and social media guide, please hit the subscribe button.